Hello everybody, my name is Dexter FX and today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial. Um, the tutorial was requested how I make my animations. So if you don't know what rig I'm using FMR 5. Let me just import it. There we go. So I'm just gonna do like a few tutorials on this. So basically, I'm just gonna be showing you the basics. I'm not gonna teach you like anything or how to get free rigs or anything. But the simplest and the easiest rig to use is FMR 5. Okay. Now to go with the tutorial, we're gonna be doing a running cycle. So the first thing we're gonna do is just select to put the skin you want here. But if you already have an FMR 5 rig and you do not know how to put your skin in, this isn't the tutorial for this. This isn't the tutorial for it. So sorry. So if you want to make a running, okay, you first have to grab the hips. Go to your 0 frame. You're gonna put this in auto keyframing. Put one keyframe there. Move your green bar that you see right over here, like under a character. You're gonna see this like timeline time thing. Just put it on one of these. I recommend 10. Okay. So I'm just gonna be doing that. Move the camera like that. Well, I actually recommend doing it like this. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Okay. You see these movement tools right over here? Yeah, this one is for, rotating. This one is for moving forward and backwards, and this one is for moving on the X scale and the Y scale. Okay, so we got that done. Now you're gonna click this window right over here, right next to it. Click it. Then you're gonna see like a bunch of windows up. There's gonna be, I think, more windows, like if you messed around with it. So I just recommend you see this, like it says on right, like the right side. So just click on the same icon but on that window. Okay, so here's your rig. It looks quite weird, doesn't it? So yeah. Okay, so you're just gonna click on this and you're gonna select the hips. So as I mentioned before, move it to 10 I recommend it. 10 or 15, I don't care what suits you the best, but I recommend 10. Put a keyframe there, but we're gonna go back to the 0th frame. Then you're gonna see the position right over here. So we're just gonna do it -5. I recommend remember this. Yeah, that's auto keyframing. So whatever you do, it's gonna keyframe it. And also, if you're using FMR 5, I actually recommend you turn off feet. I know it's gonna look a bit uglier, but the animations are gonna look good, and it's not gonna do anything it shouldn't do. So go to the 10th keyframe, do the same thing, and move. Okay, press you see this blue arrow, just click on it and hold shift, click on it, hold shift, and then move it to the left side for 100 centimeters. Okay, you're gonna be like, why are you doing that? Why aren't you moving the whole thing, like selecting it and then moving it? Yeah, don't do that. So select the hips again You see this fifth frame, so it's gonna be looking weird if it just goes like this. There's no bobbing or anything, but I know that Minecraft does not have any bobbing while moving except when you're in first person, but still, it's gonna look much better and much more realistic. So put on your fifth keyframe, or 10th if you're doing 20. I recommend 10 again. Sorry for repeating myself. Okay, put on 5. Then you're just gonna do this. Put this, remember the y axis, then put on 0. Apply. Okay, so it's gonna be looking like this. I know it's pretty weird, but just do that. Just do that. I'm just gonna do it a bit faster. Okay. 0. Okay. Move. Alright. Nope. Alright. Okay, we're gonna do 4 steps. Okay. Back to here. And go select your leg, or whichever leg you want. It doesn't matter, but it will matter in a few moments. Oh, sorry. Okay, put a keyframe as usual. Then go to 10th frame. Okay, so listen to me carefully. Now follow my moves. Okay, you can wait. Gosh darn it. Okay. Okay, so you see this red thing. You don't have to use it. You can do it like this, but I recommend using this because, okay. So just drag it over here and put it maybe over here. So it's gonna look like he's sliding, but we are trying to fix that. So we're just gonna go to the fifth frame. Then let's put it up here, maybe like that. Then look at this. Yeah, it actually looks like he actually stepped. So go to your 20th, 20th frame. Then put it up here like this. So it's gonna be looking like this. Okay, now go to 15th frame and put it like this. Wait. I just skipped the 15th frame. Okay. Now go to 30th frame. To the 30th frame, then select the red thing. If you're using that, put it there. Yeah, and then make it like that. Now it actually looks a bit realistic. Yeah, and I do not recommend copying pasting because it can actually mess you up real good. So now let's select the red leg, the other leg. I'll just see if I did select it. Okay, go to your 10th frame. If your red leg, if it's first, then just do the blue now. But yeah. Okay, the red thing here. Yeah, just put it like that. Okay. Or not yet, at least. Wait, I just messed that up a bit. Don't put anything there for now. Let's do that. No, let's put that here. Yeah, as always, we're gonna do it like this. I know it's a bit messed up. Okay. Yeah, that actually looks a bit better. Don't listen to my first part. Okay. Now just do the same thing. Okay. Now let's just watch this part. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it actually looks pretty cool. That's actually pretty decent. Okay, so now let's make it a bit more realistic by selecting the hips again and making him lean. Oh, sorry for those clicks. I don't know what happened. And then I recommend putting this on 15 degrees. Then, you know, you can just do that. Okay. Now just put that there. This is only for if you want to make it look a bit better, which I do recommend you do, because it does actually look a bit realistic. So now let's just select the arms. Okay, now I don't know what's that all about, but I recommend just going to the 10th frame. Okay, so this is the blue arm, so I just recommend selecting this rectangle here and then just putting it like, yeah, like about that, and then just doing the same process like from left to right. And don't copy and paste, as I said before, it's gonna look ugly. Okay, let's see the animation now. Okay, it looks pretty decent. Okay, now let's select the red arm. Undo. Okay. So if you managed to select it, good job. Okay. By the way, don't do it like this. There's a chance that it will move, like on the z-axis, and that's not good. So make it go forward. Backwards. Forward. And then backwards. Okay, now let's look at this. Now let's look at this in the third person. Now let's see this one in 3D. Let's see. It actually looks pretty decent. Well, this is a basic tutorial. So I'm just gonna make it lean a little bit. Yeah, you didn't have to do it like this, but still, gonna look good. And yeah, there are more tricks to make it look more realistic, but yeah. Well, I wasn't gonna do that. Yeah, about 5 degrees. Let me just experiment a little bit. Yeah, let's not do that. yeah, now you have your simple running animation. The next one is gonna be doing a backflip or something. Just recommend in the description, in the comments. Okay. So if you have enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like if you want more tutorials, and yeah. Okay, let's make Steve do the outro. Oh, never mind. That's okay. Okay. If you have enjoyed this episode of Cinema 4D tutorials on how to animate me, click the like button down below and leave a comment on what you want me to do next. Bye bye.